That way when you clamp it, you're re-clamping that one too. Kinda.
So now this one here, we're going to need lots of clamps. I may have to get more clamps for this one. But
well, if you use that one long board there, and then the shorter one.
So, because there's like 3 layers here, I'm going to have to put glue in between all the layers.
Right.
Put some right along the top here.
Yeah.
Then next layer, run down there. I don't really want to take the plywood off and cut new pieces, and I should have done this last year, but when it started, I didn't. That's why it's good to have lots of clamps.